Okay guys, today I will show you how to make a profile picture for your any documentations. Okay, so go here, uh, pfpmaker.com. That's here, this one. Okay, profile picture make pfpmaker.com, and then just upload here your picture, any picture. So which one you want? Suppose I wanted this one, suppose. Okay, go here, upload this picture here, and the picture is uploading here and generating the profile picture. Okay, and here, so see the picture is goes up, right? So just click this button and you can just like move this one here down. Okay, and then you can scale it also, so okay, big, small. Okay, what you want here. Okay, so just like do like this. I want to make a little bigger face like this, and then you can rotate also. See, you can rotate also. So if you don't want to rotate, is okay, no problem, just save it. And then here, see, you have a lot of things here, a lot of choice here. This is a default one. You can see here, right? So you can choose any picture here. If you don't like your color here or anything, you can change it also. Okay, so like this, see here, this much, right? So if you don't like in color, suppose, so go to here, and suppose go to here, and you can choose the color here. Suppose, see here, the colors you can check, right? You can change the color, any color. If you don't want, so it's okay, so just reset, it's okay, it goes like the same thing. And here you can make like a shadow. See here, shadow little bit comes, more shadow. If you don't want, is okay, but if you want little bit shadow, is okay for you. Okay, just click outside and download is very easy. See, just click suppose uh, I like, suppose this one, suppose. Okay, just click download here and go and save it. Suppose I just want to keep this one name here, save, done. And you can go there, you can check there. Okay, let me show you that picture here. That pictures here, and that will be here, and you can use this one. See here, these pictures, right? Picture is like this. Okay,